in this video, we're going to learn about computers. We're going to learn what is a computer, what is coding, and what's inside it, and how the computers think, and how do we give instructions. We're going to learn about the different computer languages, how do we communicate with the computer, and how to create better code and using the internet, and we'll also end with the history of the computers. So let's start by what is a computer. As you all may know, a computer is a machine that can follow instructions and work things out. Computers come in many shapes and sizes, right? For example, let's think of the sizes of the computers. Many of you have laptops, many of you might have iPads. Those are computer devices too. Or some might have smaller iPads, different sizes, and some might work on a desktop computer, which is a big computer which connects to a monitor and you work based on that. So those are the different sizes of computers. You might work at a desk using a desktop, you might work from a sofa using a laptop, or you might be using your iPad. These are all different kinds of computers. Now, laptops are easier and smaller to carry around, right? You can see what goes inside a computer. We're going to show you what goes inside. And tablets and smartphones are also computers. Did you guys know that smartphones that you use are also computers? Now, let's look at some of the how are computers built and what is coding. Coding is basically a set of instructions for computers to do what is said. So, a finished set of instructions is called a program. A program is basically a set of instructions. If I want a computer to do something and I have full from the beginning, step 1 to step 10, that is a program. Most computers come with ready made programs. If you learn to code, you can write your own programs too. Have you guys learned to code in Scratch? It's a very easy one to learn, start to learn. I do have videos, and if you like to watch those, please follow and subscribe to my channel and you can watch those. We also can code in different languages like Python. We can also code in C++, in C Sharp. There are many languages of talking. Like just like some people have languages, the computers have many languages that you can communicate with them too. All they do is computers are programmed to do what we instruct them to do. So the program has to be exactly, it has to tell them what steps to take and when and how to take them. So changing programs, when you tell a program computer to run a program, it will do whatever the instructions say. So if you change the program, the computer will do something different, right? Now like look at the small program. Says that it's a drawing program. Draw a head with a snorkel, then draw a body with a wetsuit, and draw legs with flippers, right? And that's exactly what the program is. In this specific example, our program is to draw and to draw these things, right? So as you instruct, it keeps doing step 1, step 2, step 3. The computer itself plus any accessories such as the mouse or keyboard are known as hardware. Hardware is like anything that you can touch and that is kind of like made and you can feel it. Those are hardware. Software are programs within the computer's brains, where computer, like we write softwares and then those are like what the computer does. You cannot touch or feel software. Softwares are programs that you load into the computer's memory, right? Um, on tablets and smartphone, programs are known as apps, and I'm sure many of you have apps. You use all kinds of apps, right? You use YouTube, which is an app. You use games, lots of games that you play. All of those are apps, and those are softwares, and they are also programs. They fall all in the same category. Now, why do you need computers? Computers are good at doing very big, complicated tasks. Unlike people, they don't forget, mix things, or get bored. Computers can compute things, right? Like for humans, it takes us a longer time. Something that takes us long time, the computers can do it really quick, and that's one of the benefits of writing out programs, and they can do for them. And for like we don't need to be there, we can, the computer keeps working all time, all day and night and things like that. So they are very big. They can do very big things, they can do complicated things, and they can do repetitive things, and they don't get tired or bored. What's not good about them? Computers are only as clever as the instructions they are given. So if there is an error or a bug in those instructions, then they will fail sometimes. right? So that's the bad part about computers. Good part is they can do a lot of things for us. They will do whatever we say and they never get tired and bored. But the bad part is if we didn't tell them what to do, they could very well not do the right thing, and we might get unexpected results and errors, and it will just say, I don't know what to do, right? It'll give us an error saying, it failed, the program failed. So those are the things. So this is what coding is. And in this channel we do have lots of videos about coding using Scratch and coding using Python. So if you do like to learn coding, come along and join us for all those videos, and you'll learn a lot.